Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel, and today we are going to learn how to create a Roku TV account. Let's get started. What you can do is just open up a browser and select any browser you like, and after selecting a browser in search bar you can search for RokuTV.com. After searching for RokuTV.com you will come up to this page where you can tap on this first option. After tapping on that first option you just have to agree these cookies. After agreeing that, now you have to tap on sign in, which is on the top right corner of your screen. After tapping on that option, now if you have an account, you can just enter the email and password of that account. Now after entering that email and password, just tap on sign in and you'll successfully sign into your account. But if you don't, you just have to tap on create account. After tapping on create account, now to create an account you have to enter your email address. After entering email address, just enter your first name and then enter your last name and then set a password for your account. After setting a password, now what you can do is just select these following options: I am 18 years or older, and this option that I agree with terms and conditions. After doing all that, now you just have to tap on continue. After tapping on continue, now you have to choose your PIN preferences. So just select a PIN preference that you like and then tap on continue. After doing that, now you have to enter your card number and then enter your expiration date. You should also enter your security code. Your first name, your last name has already been entered. You have to enter your billing address information like your country, address one, city, state, zip code and telephone number. After entering all these details, you will successfully sign into your Roku TV account. After creating an account, now you can just simply log into your account by entering your email address and then entering your password. So that's it guys, this is how to create a Roku TV account. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. If you have any doubts, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.